All right, for Unit 2, the first 3 exercises, you are either going to use Notepad++ if you're on a PC or TextEdit if you're on a Mac. And we're going to just learn basic code. So hand coding, not Dreamweaver doing it for us. So for the first one, we're just going to learn how to do the headings. So a header 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so we can see the scale of it. We're going to save that file as heading.html, and that's going to be uploaded to Blackboard. When you click on it, you'll be able to either write submission, or in this case, you're going to want to browse the computer and attach the file and submit that way. After you finish the headers, you're going to make an unordered list of 5 different objects or concepts. So examples like apples, oranges, pears, cats, dogs, giraffes, whatever the list is that you want to make a list of. It could be your grocery list, it doesn't matter. And then the ordered list is going to be essentially the same, but it's going to show how it orders it from 1 through however many it is you have. So if you are on a PC, you're going to want to go to the downloads for Notepad++. So you can see there's a whole lot of letters. You're going to want to go for the newest one. Go ahead, let everything load. Make sure you're getting the right one. All right, go ahead, hit download, run it. Let it do its thing. Go ahead and click your way through this, and I'm just walking you through this so that you know the process for this. I actually don't put things on my C drive. I put mine on my D. Okay, go ahead, hit OK. Next. Yep, sure. Let's just make sure. Sometimes they want to put extra things on there. That looks good. You can make that shortcut on the desktop if you want it. It doesn't matter. You'll be able to find it. And go ahead and hit finish. Whenever it opens up, it's going to look more like the code side of Dreamweaver. Wow, that flashing ad is super annoying. So it's going to set it up like one would in Dreamweaver if you've opened that up. I'm going to go ahead and create a new document just so that we can see what it looks like. What we're interested in, as my computer bounces all over the place, is making sure that it's saved as the hypertext markup language file, the HTML. For our first one, I'm just going to dump it on my desktop, and our first one was heading, or headings. Ugh. I don't know what's going on with my computer. So I'm going to go ahead. I must be touching something and I can't see it. Heading, save, and then we're going to be able to start the file from there. All right, once you have your file saved, you can start the coding part. So for our headers, heading 1 is the one that has the, I'll say just the number 1 prevalence for importance when it comes to reading the page. So when we get to the stage of talking about accessibility, those who have the computers read their programs for them or their machines, it looks for the heading 1 first. So it's saying this is the most important thing. So it is H1. So we have start brackets, and then I'll just put heading 1 so we can see it. We have our end brackets or our closing brackets. 1. Sorry, it's hard to type and talk at the same time. So we have to have a closing and we have to have an opening so that it knows what to do. Our next one is H2, which is heading 2, closing with the H2, H3, heading 3, H3, so on and so forth. Don't forget the bracket there. Oops, 4. So, one thing you're going to find whenever you code, 1, it's better to not be talking. 2, 1 tiny typo will throw everything out. And you might spend 6 hours looking for that one mistake, and it's either something like the 3 there, or you forgot the slash, or there's a period, or a misplaced character. Google will be your best friend when it comes to web design. And I know that sounds like potentially snarky to say, but it's actually not. It is, you're like, okay, my web page is not doing such and such, or how do I float everything in the center, or How do I make the color blue in code? Just if you are having problems, Google is going to help you out as well. So just keep that in mind. But one tiny thing is going to throw everything. We already had called this heading HTML. I'm going to go ahead and hit save, and then I'm going to minimize it. And we have our heading file here, where I'm going to open with Firefox. And this is what we're sort of looking for. So web design, it's sort of like you want to ride the motorcycle before you know how to walk. I mean, it's not glamorous in the early stages. We want to make sure that we have the hierarchy and the flow. This is exactly what it should look like. There's nothing fancy. It's just simply the type with the descending ordered heading style. So we will eventually get to the fancy. Do not worry about fancy for a while yet. So what you will do is the exact same for the ordered list and the unordered lists. Where do I have those? There it is. Under Unit 1, under our course materials, I actually had the basics of HTML handout so that you can look through it. So when we get to the stage that you need to know how to start this up, this is going to be more for your bio page. So we'll talk about that then. And everything comes in pairs. So here's our headings. This is how it shows up. Unordered list, ordered list, paragraphs, a break tag where we can force it in. And we also have non-breaking spaces, which are just ampersand n non-breaking space, NBSP. And when we get to the images, that info is there also, and a blank page. Sorry about that. So for our first one, we're essentially dealing with page 2, the headings, the unordered lists, and the ordered list. So go ahead, complete the heading, do your ordered list, do your unordered list, and submit them, and then I will get you started on your first project.